Hello my friends, today I'll be starting something new on my channel. I'll be presenting a series of episodes in which I'll be talking about a very important topic. Let's get started. I need money, you need money, we all love and need money. Yet, only a few actually study it and learn about its truths and the best ways to earn it. Even our schools that we go to do not teach us how to earn money. Here's a clip in which Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the famous book Rich Dad Poor Dad, confirms this fact.
The school system is actually teaching people to be poor. The school system will never teach you about money. The school system was designed to teach you to be an employee or a doctor or a lawyer, a specialist, but never about money.
If even our own schools that we go to do not teach us how to earn money, which is very important to us, then it is our job to learn about it and reveal its secrets. In this series, we'll be learning about the realities of money and how to earn it and deal with it. My aim is to have you all to accompany me in this learning journey together. What actually motivated me to do this are three main things. First, I've just completed reading Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad, which I have benefited from a lot. And I aspire to read many books devoted to this field, such as Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, Money, Master the Game by Anthony Robbins, and The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, and many others. Second, I've discovered that in this age of technology, there are many people who were able to succeed at such a young age, such as C.J. Center, also known as the Workout Kid, a fitness instructor, who began his fitness business at the age of 10 by creating a guide designed to make working out fun for children, and is currently worth $1 to $5 million. Another is Juliette Brindock, who at the age of 10 began creating sketched characters, which then led to creating a teen social networking site. Her company is now worth an estimated $15 million. Last but not least, Ryan, the owner of Ryan's Toys Review channel on YouTube, who's 8 years old, managed to earn $30 million in 2019. We'll be researching and studying their experiences and many other successful people. Third, my personal experience, in which I've invested some of my time experimenting with money and earning it by downloading one of the applications that enables us to trade in the global stock market, which includes Forex, commodities, and stocks. I've started with a demo account and managed to gain £11,000 in just 10 days. So if you like to learn and earn, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your loved ones so that we could all learn and gain financial freedom. Peace.